Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Notejoy. Notejoy in 2025 is a smart note-taking app that uses AI to make your work easier. It helps you quickly summarize long notes, search using everyday language, and even join your meetings to take automatic notes while action items. You can collaborate in real time with teammates and use handy template and access your notes anywhere since it syncs across phones, computers, and web browsers. While the free version is limited, paid plan unlock a powerful AI tools and work with apps like Slack and Zoom. The app works fast and best for teams and busy professionals who need organized shareable notes. Students and also researchers will love how it automatically tag and summarize information, while project managers can track something efficient, though it requires internet access and makes some learning to master all features. Not just stand out for its smart collaboration tools. So if you want a simple solo note taking, Evernote or Hoppedians might be better, but for AI-powered team productivity, Notejoy is a top choice in 2025. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI platform. Thanks.